taking on the idea of the day for November 20th, 2025 from IdeaBrowser.com. I went to their webinar earlier today, got a ton of value and insights and ideas out of it. And, I've been thinking about doing this for a while, where I take the idea of the day and then just every single day go into Claude and create a mini little prototype for it. So I figured today is a perfect day because two reasons. One, obviously went to the webinar today. It's top of mind. Two, this is perfect for what I do, and it's extremely adjacent to my area of expertise. So let's see how this goes. So I've got the full analysis open on this tab. Copied it. So the lead magnet inventory savings calculator. View the full. Here we go. So let me just replace that with all of this and see what happens. Wow, this is great. Twilio for SMS, SendGrid for email. Now we're just going to upload the PRD to Replit. See how that goes. And now that I'm actually going through and doing this, what I think I'm going to do is set up an automation where every day I have a Lindy that takes this idea of the day, opens up the link from it, scrapes it, and saves me a PRD using some type of Claude API or just a prompt within Lindy. All right, I'll come back when this is done. All right, I guess while I'm letting this go, I can also show I have this set up to where there's a PRD template for Replit assisted development. So I set this up before with Claude just so it could, or maybe even with Replit, I asked it, what do you need from me? And so these are all the parameters for the PRD that it basically took this document, mixed with the idea from IdeaBrowser. But I'm pretty impressed with what Opus 4.1 did with this old prompt and the info I just gave it. Okay, so let's see. InStockAI, scan item, add supply. Okay. Man, I could use this for my handyman business right now. Okay, transactions. Yeah, I mean, this looks okay, but obviously it's not helpful at this point for actually doing anything. Let's see, so usage tracker. Oh, nice. This is cool. Got the vendor in here. Configure your Amazon business integration. Settings. Okay. Dashboard. Monthly spend. Efficiency score. Executing the refractor. I don't know what that means. Oh, nice. I'm honestly kind of fucking shocked. Excuse my language, but this is insane. Compared to the last time I used Replit, it's kind of night and day. And then how do I preview it on a phone again? There we go. Yeah, that does not look good. And just to be clear, this is free to sign up for. It gives you this for free every day. You can only access it that day. So that's why I want to set up the automation that goes off that day. And then, holy shit, nice. Wow. Wow. Wowie zowie. So dashboard suggestions. Holy shit. This looks much better than I thought it would, honestly. Honestly, this is insane. Yeah, I'm not gonna show the rest of this on video because I actually might go build this, but yeah. If you see this in the App Store in the next week or two, you know who built it. And if I sound exhausted, it's because my mom had to have emergency surgery last night, and so I slept about 2 hours, 2 or 3 hours, and then maybe another hour or two this morning. But I am pretty dead. Let's see, convert to app. Oh, okay, sweet. Yeah, yes, convert to app. All right, let's see. Go back to desktop. And then the phone version would only really have to have the photo capabilities. Usage tracker. Oh, wow. Already works. Okay, sweet. Yep, I am going to end the video here, and this seems like, yeah, I don't know what else to say. Hopefully it should be built soon, but I don't want to show you. I really don't want to show the rest of this. So I am going to not record it.